2023 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power liftgate, brake assist. Get a fast and easy price quote today